Oh my God, okay. Whoa! Nice, man, they've been stepping up their game. Laptops in space. Space is cool again. I'm happy to see it back. There's a space guy. That is cool. Tell Vin to shut up.
Vin, we're just about to roll. Thanks, man.
Harsh, holy. I don't, wait a sec, what am I doing? Today we're looking at something a little bit different. Space, it's a discovery. It's a ZenBook 14X OLED Space Edition. OLED is always a good thing, and a Space Edition is even better because I love all things space. Very robust. Not your typical packaging. You might want to hang on to this package. An unusual and unexpected logo over here, and I think this has Velcro on it. It does. Is that why? Do I do that? Oh my God, okay. Whoa, yeah, that's different. Outer space, kind of cryptic. The finish of this laptop comes with patterns of the Mir station and Morse code. The arc lines on the lid symbolize a space capsule, and the Morse code translates by ad astra per aspera, which means through the hardships to the stars in Latin. Wow, that's what you like with a special edition. You like a special attention, and that's what you have there. You have a separate box for, oh, what? They say, hey, use the box as a stand. So you're gonna reuse the packaging. Ooh. Nice, man. They've been stepping up their game with these laptop unboxings. Every single one truly feels special and unique. What? They sent a laptop into space previously, and this is a celebration of the 25-year anniversary? Laptops in space. We are curious to explore the world and go beyond. Space is cool again. I'm happy to see it back. Is that a screen on the outside of the laptop? Ooh, I like this color too. This is a very light 14-inch laptop, by the way. It's 2.8 pounds, 14-inch laptop. What a time to be alive. They've done it with robust materials here. Metal, matte finish. Tons of ports as well. Micro SD card slot, an analog audio port, a USB Type A port on the other side, a USB Type C, Thunderbolt 4, and they even managed to get a full-size HDMI port in there just barely. Look at how hard that is. If you're wondering how thin this thing is, you know the size of an HDMI port. It's quite razor thin. You're gonna have the latest generation Intel Core H series processors available, up to 32 gigs of onboard memory. The display 14-inch 16 by 10 aspect ratio, 2880 by 1800 pixels at 90 hertz. Remember, that's on an OLED, and that also happens to be a touchscreen. How about this for peak brightness? 550 nits. SSD is gonna be 1 terabyte PCIe, that's NVMe M.2. The battery is 63 watt hours, 2.87 pounds. Oh, wow, it really is a special edition. Oh, these are stickers, cool. Big sticker guy, abstract, subtle, interesting. Space edition. Ooh, I don't mind it. Check the planet right there. Oh, so this logo, I've been calling it a logo, is actually the Mir station. This is in Morse code, you suggest. This means cockpit. This is the 2011 ZenBook, all in Morse code. Look at that chiclet style keyboard. I like the larger font. Super comfortable place to type. It's like reusable packaging that you can elevate your laptop to an even more comfortable position without needing to buy an accessory. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. Very portable for 100 watt. That's a 100 watt power adapter to Type-C, so it doesn't have to be proprietary. So you unfold this like this, and then you do like this. Do like this. Ooh, nice. It looks kind of cool. Oh, I just saw the exterior screen for the first time. Whoa, there's a space guy. That is cool. It shows up so much better than some of those previous ones. Like this is a brightly lit environment and you can see that animation. I like how it shows up so vividly. That is some serious personalization and uniqueness with this system. If somebody sees you with it, you're gonna turn some heads for sure. That is cool. How about the space-inspired wallpaper? We're getting the typical OLED stuff. Nice contrast, the deep black color and the vibrance of the colors. Smart notifications. You can have notifications pop up on this external display. An animated theme, that's what we have by default. Or you can customize your very own animation. And then last up, personalize message and status. Your name or your company or something like that, an identifier. Okay, here's a crazy little tidbit. Apparently, this 14X Space Edition is designed to withstand the punishing demands of actual space travel. Complies with the ultra-tough US Space Systems Command Standard SMCS 016A testing protocols. Torture tested to space-grade standards for resistance to extreme vibration and high-low operational temperatures. Additionally, it meets the U.S. Department of Defense MIL standard 810H durability standard. Operational temps 61 degrees Celsius on the hot side and minus 24 degrees Celsius on the cold side. Whoa. So I don't know if you're planning on going to space anytime soon, but this laptop, it will go with you there. Wow,
Intent
there's
of benefiting
definitely
Native American
volume.
children
There's
living on tribal
definitely
reservations in New Mexico.
low end.
Minister, but of course this story has become
It's louder than I expected. Absolutely. So they're gonna be coming out left and right channel, true stereo, and surprisingly effective as far as clarity is concerned. It's a nice little unique kind of package. It's different, it's special, it's spacey, space age. You got the display on there, which is completely unique. Solid, metallic build. Don't forget the OLED, which is probably the #1 attribute. Plenty of pixels and surprising sound. Let's go to space together. It's the ZenBook 14X OLED Space Edition.